Hey everyone, the Aoostar Godz Mini PC is a powerful, compact desktop system designed with gamers and content creators in mind. Recently launched in the Chinese market, this mini PC brings impressive specs in a small footprint and is offered at a competitive starting price of $455 for the barebones version. At the heart of the Godz Mini is the Ryzen 7-7435HS processor, an 8-core, 16-thread chip built on AMD's 6nm Zen 3 Plus architecture. With a boost clock of up to 4.5 GHz and 16 MB of L3 cache, the CPU is capable of handling demanding workloads ranging from gaming to content creation. Its architecture ensures that even under sustained loads or heavy multitasking, the system remains responsive and snappy. Complementing the CPU is a discrete AMD Radeon RX 6600LE graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. While not a flagship GPU, the RX 6600LE performs admirably in 1080p gaming scenarios, pushing high frame rates in popular titles like DOTA 2, Naraka, Bladepoint, and PUBG on high settings. The GPU's boost frequency can reach up to 2,495 MHz, providing solid mid-range graphics capabilities that are more than adequate for mainstream gaming. The machine is built on a custom AMD thin ITX motherboard, compact at just 170 by 170 millimeters, yet impressively well equipped. It supports up to 64 GB of DDR5 memory across 2 slots, with memory speeds up to 4,800 MHz. For storage, users can take advantage of dual M.2 2028 PCIe 4.0 by 4 slots, allowing for up to 4 TB of ultra-fast SSD storage, perfect for rapid load times and large file handling. Connectivity is another strong suit. The Godz Mini comes with dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed wired networking and an Intel AX210 Wi-Fi 6 module for fast, stable wireless connections, complete with external antenna support. The I/O configuration is also generous. The front panel includes a USB-C port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, and dual 3.5mm audio jacks. Around the back, you'll find a full suite, 1 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort output, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a USB 4 data port, 2 more 2.5G LAN jacks, and additional 3.5mm audio ports. To keep all this high-performance hardware running cool, Aoostar employs its Glacier 3.0 cooling solution. The thermal design features large finned heat sinks, 7 heat pipes, and a dual fan setup. A dedicated fan even cools the memory and SSD area, helping prevent thermal throttling during extended use. Physically, the Godz Mini has a premium industrial feel. The chassis is fully CNC machined from metal, with rubber damping integrated into the design to minimize vibration. Despite its solid construction, the device remains relatively lightweight at about 1.5 kilograms and compact at 20 by 8 by 19.3 centimeters, making it easy to place in tight workspaces or entertainment centers. Aoostar offers multiple configurations. The base model is sold as a barebones unit without RAM or storage for $455. Overall, the Aoostar Godz Mini PC stands out as a well-rounded, compact desktop that punches above its weight. Its combination of a capable Ryzen 7 CPU, discrete RX 6600LE GPU, solid connectivity, and thoughtful cooling makes it a strong contender for users who need serious performance in a minimalist form factor. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.